In this video, I want to explain very detailed what each number on the ReviewPro dashboard means, but more importantly, why it's important and what you should be looking for with every single product that you review. I'm going to do this by using this as an example, this car mirror dash cam, and also this timer. Okay, first, let's talk about these metrics. They're separated into these different tables based off of category or similarities. So the first is the performance metrics. We have the Pro Score, the estimated 30-day revenue, the daily sales, the daily 30-day sales, and then the ASIN. Okay, let me start from the ground up. The ASIN is basically Amazon's unique barcode for every product. And when you upload your video onto Amazon, this is the best way for you to make sure that you're going to tag that product specifically on Amazon and have your video attached to that product is by copying and pasting the ASIN. So you can just click that right there, copy and then paste it into the upload box. And then 30-day sales, basically how many units they're selling every 30 days, daily sales on average, how many sales they're making every day, 30-day revenue, which is essentially just the price point times the 30-day sales, and then the Pro Score. Okay, the Pro Score is going to be the best indication of success for you to earn commissions on any product review or on any product with your review video onto Amazon. And so if there's one number that you could only pick to know if a product is good or profitable to sell or not, or sorry, to review or not, it's the Pro Score. Okay, the closer it is to 100, the better. And now, even if the Pro Score is low or red, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't review it. But if you had the choice between two similar looking products, you want to pick the one with the highest Pro Score. I'm going to get back to that in a second. Then we have the product details, which is the price point, the average review rating, how many reviews that they have, the bestseller rank, the category it's in. These are fascinating and interesting to look at, but they're not as important for our success right now. And then we have the content and media. The top carousel will explain how many review videos are already at the top of the product page. And then at the bottom carousel, how many review videos are at the bottom. There's only two places where your video can be shown on Amazon product pages, and it's the top or the bottom. The 7 = 2 + 5 equation is the fact that there's 7 videos total on the product page, and the 2 is going to be the spot where the brand's videos are going to be at, if they have any, plus how many influencer videos are on there. So at most you can have 7, and the brand can have as many from 1 to 7. Now they have 2. So that leaves 5 influencer video spots available. Quick note, if the brand doesn't have any videos on the product page and they kind of close that, then when you upload your video onto this product page, it's going to get shown at the bottom. That means the top carousel is closed. It's not open for business. The bottom carousel is essentially where by default your video will always be placed, or similar product videos from other products might be placed on there, and likewise with yours. The total number of Amazon influencer videos is going to be 7. And if I've already reviewed this product, then my video will tell me if it's at the top, bottom, or both. And then it will tell me if the product is sponsored or not, meaning the brand is paying for Amazon ads to showcase it more. Now, if it says neither, and you know that you reviewed this product and you're like, hey, I'm not connected, my storefront is not connected to ReviewPro, click the extension, go to Manage Storefront, and then, or you can go to Settings, and where it says Influencer Tools, Amazon Storefront URL, that's where you can copy and paste your storefront URL and then click Save. Okay. I have not reviewed this product yet. That's why it says neither. Awesome. Sales and inventory, how many sellers are on there, the listing age, that can be valuable to know if it's a brand new product or if the product's been selling for a long time. Is it low in stock? Then we have the commission structure. The I is for Amazon influencers, the percentage commission. If that's like the percentage of the product price. So 4% of the product price, it's going to be $11.96 per commission, which is really, really good. And then the Amazon associate commission structure, usually it's the same. And then overall affiliate commission structure is $11.96. So those are what all of the indicators mean. Now, on a day-to-day basis, what are the top 3 most important indicators to look at? First, it's going to be, in my opinion, the monthly sales count, which is demand for the product. How often are people actually buying it? Okay, that's the most important thing. Doesn't matter how good the commission is. If no one's buying it, if no one sees your product review video, you're not going to earn anything. So demand. That's going to be showcased in the 30-day sales. All right. After that is going to be the competition. How competitive is it to get my video seen from or to many people shopping on Amazon? That's going to be showcased obviously in the Amazon influencer video. So the influencer video count, which is going to be 7. Okay. Just because a product has a lot of influencer videos doesn't mean that you shouldn't review it, because Amazon will cycle the videos in and out all the time. After that is the product price point. That's going to be your earning potential, because your commission structure is based off of the product price. Now, commission structure, like the how much you can earn times how frequently you can earn, which is the 30-day sales, is equal to like price times how often, the velocity or whatever, equals 30-day revenue. So that's just an easier way to see it. Now, what if you're like, that's so much to remember? I don't like, what can I just look at? Look at the pro score. The pro score is a unique equation that factors all of these numbers in together in one to make it as easy as possible for you. That's what you should do, in my opinion. Make it as easy as possible for you to be successful. Also, real quick, if you're in Creator Connections, there's a link up here, opt into the campaign. So that is a dashboard. That's how you can start looking at these numbers. Look at the pro score, look at how often people are actually buying it, and the price point, and you'll start to see trends and commonality between successful products you review versus not. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions about this, I want you to comment down below. I'll answer them, and I'll see you in the next video.